And we are back to before everything have gone to shit. Hey, we have a distress beacon for a scientist again, so not all is bad. But yeah, I'm gonna try and play better this time, because previous
This will prove
time
to have
was
been an important
shitty.
breakthrough. Commander, if we intend on discovering the purpose of the chip we extracted from you, we'll need to conduct the appropriate research as soon as possible.
Oh wait, I might have loaded the wrong one. Let's see. It's mission... Current autosave is mission 4. This is mission 2 and that's just Geoscape, and we were on mission 6. Yeah, it's correct one. It's correct enough.
Your orders, Commander.
Well, it's not magnetic weapons, but they're fast anyways.
Stemming from this technology. I'll have a report assembled as soon as the research is complete.
This time I will fix my own mistake and will make a guerrilla tactics school as soon as I can, but... And here you always should put something like power, because you need a workshop to be effective. And workshops costs insanely good, insanely too many, insane amounts of money. God damn it, how it's hard to brain right now. So yeah, 8 days to resistance ring.
When inspired, our team is actually quite efficient.
We gain a nanoscale west. We need to go for resistant comms. And you know what? This 10 days worth it, but I will do it right after I finish the comms. I'll use build faster if I need to.
Setting course for Sector 5, India. Nothing on the local com.
And we get a retaliation mission because I skipped it, basically. Okay, you're the best ranger I have. I still don't have anything else, so... Let's give you some good shit. And give you a flashbang. Okay, I don't need 2 specialists, so I need a grenadier. I'll tire you out. Go fuck yourself. Everyone has a good thing. I still don't have. Oh wait, I can make a medkit. Yes. You carry my medkit. Thank you. Alright, that works. Let's fly. And yes, I accidentally repeated the retaliation mission, but it's fun anyways.
The aliens just hit one of the resistance outposts hard. There may be survivors, but that's a best case scenario. We're going in to secure the site. Neutralize all hostile contacts. Menace 1-5, hostile forces are attacking the outpost. Eliminate all enemy units and protect those civilians. Advent came in hot, and so did we. You won't have a concealed position for deployment on this one.
That's far enough from the corner. But it's not far from a corner. Okay, who can get up fastest? You go there. Check it out, and we see some bitches. Priest and the trooper.
Their implants provide significant enhancements to whatever latent psionic energy they may have once possessed.
Okay, it's an LMG soldier. Mm. I mean, go to this.
Target disabled. Heading out. Oh, come on! On my way.
You go here. Let's see how it goes. Because the bitch warlock is here. Let's see if we can deal with him better this time.
I may strike you down.
At least now we know that flashbang does nothing to him.
The elders must have caught wind of our operation.
Okay.
They sent in one of the chosen.
He goes
We
for
should try to
status.
track that thing down and deal with it before it causes too much trouble.
Oh,
Do not pity them, for soon you will join them.
On your order. Adjusting sights.
I don't understand how you do not see him.
Not a problem. Get back to the ship. Fighting up.
Oh, priests, do not fear death, for they will join the elders in eternity.
This time, for some reason, aliens are still shooting when there is a chosen on it. I guess last time I got lucky?
Moving. I'm on it. No longer a threat. Affirmative. Come get some.
Okay, we got someone. Okay, we got this group that is killing civilians.
Still moving.
You hit none of your shots. Like, none. None of them.
Absolutely.
Finish him off.
These subordinates will prevent nothing.
him from the existence.
Enemies down.
It has been so long since I have seen a sword thrust in pure hatred.
Oh, god damn it, sludge monster is here. Well, we are going to get fucked.
I'm guessing this is it.
It is a remarkable species. If only you had some means of containment.
Don't even think about it.
Go forth and honor the elders with your actions. Even the smallest strike, the elders' vengeance is carried forth.
We have to expect our soldiers to feel the strain of combat eventually. We just have to give them enough time to recover properly.
The elders have chosen me, just as they have chosen you, Commander. We are both destined to serve at their side, to bring their vision to this world and beyond. Come, allow yourself to be reclaimed.
That's the Elder's Warlock. All reports indicate he's nearly as dangerous as they are when it comes to psionic capabilities.
I am the voice within. I should be able to learn a great deal about your plans from this unfortunate soul.
Okay, move here. Try and get our friend out of his funk.
Easy now, soldier.
Okay, he's not dazed and or disoriented. Okay, shoot him. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, it's not going well.
Forever, Commander.
Watch it! That thing is taking control of our soldiers!
Accept the elders' embrace, or burn in the fires of their wrath.
Sure thing. You're good. Just stay with me.
But yeah, that's gone to hell in a handbasket very fast. Okay, and this is the supply raid that was attempting last time. You know what? After looking at what can happen, I'm happy with trying to do the supply raid again. Minus 2 missions. Okay, I will attempt to survive it anyway, because only one of them was dealing me any form of hard to recover from grief. You are the... Okay. This is my sniper. This is you. Okay, let's move you forward.
Don't all these special crimes cops look spiffy?
Okay, then let's meet this group from a good angle.
Confident approach.
I'm all over it.
Go ahead. I'll watch. Oh, okay.
You watch for now. Yeah, early game with the Reaper is like not having a squad mate, mostly. So my sniper only sees this Advent Trooper. Advent Trooper that I can kill with literally in 3 different ways. Okay, start the party queue.
At first,
Let's
Advent
see where they
deployed
go.
non-lethal stun units for crowd control and the occasional protest. We don't see a whole lot of that anymore.
Okay, you can almost half shoot him. That's nice, yeah.
Moving.
That's a 6.
Here we are, the promised land.
It's 3 to 4 and 50% chance to reveal. Let's hope it will not reveal you, and it's a critical of 6. Yes, we are not revealed. Great.
I hear their voice. The elders whisper. They speak of the end. The light has left them. I must have ammunition. Reinitializing weapon. A great distance.
Yeah, we're not airlifting the supplies out of here in any way, shape or form.
I'm just getting warmed up.
Like, the only one who can is my Reaper. You can mark those.
Good work. Advent's locator is down and our transponder is active. Firebrand will handle the pickup.
Really?
Good to go.
Okay, 1 for 1. That goes. That works. That works for me.
Advent just airlifted out their
Getting
first
all of the
crate.
supplies when
We're
you
gonna
only
have to
have
move
4
fast if we
characters
wanna get
is
the rest.
quite hard, especially if one of them is a Reaper.
Firebrand is on deck for recovery. Keep marking those crates, Menace 1-5.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
I was looking for them after all. This is a situation in which I can literally flashbang all of them. I really wanna shoot the stun lancers though. Although if I flashbang everyone I can shoot anyone I want, so I will see if I can kill you. Yeah, that's a 6 or a 7. A 6.
I take a new approach. As you order. You are judged. I must improve.
Fire in the hole!
Why flashbang them, you may ask? Well, Stun Lancer cannot stun if they're flashbanged. And this one we remove from the board.
Incoming over here!
Try. You aren't doing anything otherwise.
Moving here.
So it's a short range weapon. Okay, but you didn't miss. That's good. What would be giving you cover here? Nothing.
Affirmative.
Okay, you have 1 HP. I dislike the fact that I need to use 3 people in my squad to kill one damn sectoid. Yeah, they're still in those 2 crates, it's impossible to get to them. Currently I'm in this state of the game where I need to remove enemies rather than rush for those objectives. Oh no, you're got out of disorientation.
As you command.
Get one.
Split target.
Come here. Shoot the bastard.
We triumph. Weapon depleted.
I caution, never ask. It's more ninja. Really?
I advance.
Of course.
It is safe with me.
Got it.
Who wants some, huh? Who's next?
They steal 1 crate, we get 1 other. Half of the crates is enough, to be fair. Usually.
I'm coming in.
Move yourself. No, I guess up here is enough. Oh, where's the nearest crate you can run towards? It's this one. Okay, there's their army.
Looks like we left someone behind.
Resisted. Good. Okay, they saw us anyways.
Need to find some new cover!
Okay, I can only get one of them, but I will get the sectoids hover with it. Your fog is intact, so
Throwing grenade!
go and double boom this place. Finish him off, please. Thank you.
I will not fail you again. Heavy attack!
It's only 3 out of 4 damage I needed.
Nice job, Sherlock.
Okay, you get 5, they get 6, so only 2 more crates remaining after 1 more crate remaining after they take 1, so it's half and half already. Please survive. Fuck you. I'm sorry, but I'm not playing this in Iron Man fashion. I'm not that good.
Position is flanked.
This I will do anyways.
Grenade!
Because he's not missing this shot.
Throwing explosive.
Get a grenade on him. Oh. You don't have this. Fuck me with the chainsaw. Oh wait, my damage roll got better. And yes, we get all of the stuff we can get right now.
Advent officials revealed today's maneuver by local peacekeepers was a planned exercise. Citizens should not be alarmed. All weapon fire and wounds were simulated to better train Advent forces.
That is the purpose of all skirmishes. Until it is done, there can be no other path for us.
Okay. Yep, you're the shooty one. 21 days for you because you got 4 damage on you, and you again gone for 12 days. Yes, he needs to get up because he needs target definition, he needs remote start, and most importantly, he needs silent killer. Because if you are finishing enemies off with him, he will never leave concealment.
Just give the word and I'll get started, Commander.
Hello, Commander.
10
Work
days
is
on
well
research,
underway,
that is good.
But it will be some time yet before my research is complete. Commander, if we intend on discovering the purpose of the chip we extracted from you, we'll need to conduct the appropriate research
Okay.
as soon as possible.
30 days on this debris. That's long, but...
Avenger plotting new course.
Okay, that's a bug. I will need this engineer.
Market is open.
But I also need the market. God, I need the market. I don't... Corporal sharpshooter is good. Hybrid materials, experimental weapons. Okay, we will wait on it for now, but
Avenger plotting
it's
new
good to
course.
have it. And we need this engineer.
Finally, we arrive upon the asylum of those depraved enough to defy the Elders. Your friends would be wise to beg forgiveness with their final breaths.
Our friends in the Resistance.
Stuffing it gives us a bonus. Upgrading it gives us an additional workstation for additional power, so yeah. That's why we build it here, because here will be the workshop. Will 46 will. Okay, this one we are not promoting. This one we will promote, and it will be not the worst sharpshooter ever. With deep cover, run and gun sharpshooter. Yep. The worst bit that I don't see, well, that they removed the ability to utilize your sniper rifle after moving. So yeah, you cannot move and shoot.
Commander, you should establish contact with the local resistance network as soon as possible. The aliens are undoubtedly moving forward with their plans.
I hate to ask, but it looks like I don't have much choice. Think you could help us out?
We need to recover an operative. Okay, we need to move on this mission. I'll take a spec. I'll take a ranger. So scouting because the other guys are wounded or out of commission in variety of ways. I'll take Kate or Grenadier and I will attempt to take one of the remaining rookies. You. Make every weapon available, make every utility item available. Give him a mobile assault rifle. Give him medkit. Give her a flashbang, she might need it. Give her LMG. Basic assault rifle. Get yourself a unique sword. Okay, everybody is ready.
In position to drop.
Let's see what we got.
We just got word from the Resistance. One of their top people was moving near the city center when Advent got suspicious of them. After making a break for it, the VIP holed up in a temporary safe house in the tunnels beneath the city. Advent is still in the area, but we're going in to facilitate the VIP's safe extraction. Keep your eyes open for hostile activity. The Resistance VIP is hiding in the tunnels not far from your position. One of their field operatives is also on site to assist you in the rescue. Firebrand is standing
That's
by,
not
but be
near.
careful. We'll have...
And on that note I will end the recording. Thank you very much.